So this is all of our plants. This isn't all of them. This is some of them. I'm going to show you guys the other ones as well. But I just wanted to show you how they looked after we transported. And so this is our blackberry bush. It looks like it's doing wonderful. Our olive tree is growing new leaves, so it did great. This is a tomato plant that got a lot bigger since we left, which is crazy because it was, I don't know if this is after, because it rained earlier today and maybe because of that, but this is a lemon tree, another lemon tree we have. Back there is a pineapple. This is the blueberry bush, which it was looking like this in Texas because it was so hot, so it did fine. I did notice that the pineapples got a little like, I don't know what's the word. They're like flimsy, I guess, what I call it. So I think I'm gonna cut off some of the weaker leaves and then give it some coffee grounds and it'll come back strong. And this is our lime tree that we transplanted. It looks great. This is our Goji Berry. Our Goji Berry is doing good. It's growing new branches, so it did good. Here's a little berry. This is new because I took all of them out. So this is our lemon tree. It came back. It did so well. If you guys remember, in Texas it was so hot that all the leaves fell off and it was doing bad, but now it looks fine. And then what do we have over here? So this is from the compost. I think these are sweet potatoes. Yeah, these are sweet potatoes. They look good. They gotta get transplanted to something bigger though. Okay, let's come over here. There's Lou and Bella. Let's come over here and look at these. So this is a pineapple, baby pineapple we're starting. Another lemon tree. This one actually looks like this when we got it. It's like, so I'm gonna transplant those lemon trees. And then this is a sweet potato bucket. It got crushed in the truck. What happened to it? Something, what was in it? What was in the sweet potatoes?
Wrong with them?
No, in the U-Haul. It got crushed.
Water bottle.
Oh, a big water. Like one of those gallon things of water. It crushed them, so. But they're still doing fine. It looks like they might have got too much water. It's been raining here, so they're not used to all this water, so yeah. Here we have our other pineapple plant that was in the front, and so this one got really flimsy, and so it's used to getting lots of sun, and it didn't get any sun for 3 days, so I think it just needs some treatments. And these two trees here we got before we left. They are both orange trees. One's a sweet orange and one's a clementine, and they need help, like they need support. So we'll get those figured out soon. We'll stay tuned to see what we do with all of our tropical trees, like the orange trees and things, because we're in Ohio and it's gonna get a little bit colder soon. So yeah,
let's go see if that will work.
Oh, and this is an apple tree that wasn't doing good in Texas. It got too hot and didn't get enough water, so we're gonna plant it here and watch it grow.